Hello traders. Before we dive into today's EA, you can download the free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, so today we are going to be reviewing the Gold Titan EA for MT4 and MT5. As the name implies, this is a gold specialized automated system for XAUUSD. So let's take a look at the claims and the actual test results. Right, let's walk through the strategy and claims. So as you can see from the MK5 page, the Gold Titan EA is developed specifically for trading gold XAUUSD. It analyzes market data using a combination of technical indicators, price action patterns, and volume analysis to identify potential trading scenarios. The system is optimized with gold's volatility in mind and includes signal filters to avoid unstable market phases. It supports customizable risk management, so users can adjust lot sizes, stop loss, and take profit levels. Trading hours, trend filters, and other parameters can also be modified. So the E is designed to work on various account types, including standard, ECN, and pro accounts with most major brokers. Once conditions are met, it automatically opens and manages trades according to market dynamics. Um, so as for the features, the key features include specialization for XAUUSD, mixed analysis of indicators plus price action and volume, customizable risk parameters, signal filtering for unstable conditions, flexible trading hours and trend filters, and broad broker compatibility. So the inputs allow traders to fine-tune risks and entry criteria. Is positioned as a flexible gold-focused tool rather than a rigid black box system. So we have some screenshots here on the developers page. You can see from their backtest, we have this equity curve. You can see how it grinds upwards over time. You can see the steady grind towards the upside, showing a good performance. You can see there was a total net profit of $1,724, even though the initial deposits and test period were not specified. You can see there was a profit factor of 1.72 and a balance drawdown of 4.64. Right, so those are the results we had. But looking at it at face value, it seems like the EA actually performs fairly well. But does this actually hold true when we put it through our own personal backtest? Let's give it a look. So I was opportune to put the EA through my own personal backtest on the XAUUSD pair, which is meant for on the 15-minute time frame for the custom period of 1 year, ranging from the 1st of April 2025 to the 1st of April 2026. And for a 10K account, $10,000 initial deposits, the equity curve showed a severe and prolonged decline, ending with a large net loss and drawdown approaching 100%. So you can see that here. The total net loss was 9,968 and the drawdown was 99.7%. So the account was basically blown, and this is a clear indication that the tested settings and period were highly unfavorable for the system. Gold is extremely volatile, and many gold EAs can produce strong results in certain market phases while suffering heavy losses in others. The combination of indicators, price action, and volume can help, but it does not eliminate the inherent risks of trading XAUUSD. So compared to the graph we had on the developers page where we had just steady upside, you can see that our own graph when put through the testing was almost quite opposite. You can see it just moved steadily to the downside before the account was basically blown. So yeah, there we have it. Compared to the developer's description of a specialized good advisor, the test results highlight how sensitive performance can be to market conditions, broker execution, and parameter choices. High drawdowns like this are a serious warning sign. Honestly, the features that matter most are extreme conservative risk settings, proper filtering of unstable periods, and extensive testing across different gold market regimes. Specializing in gold brings focus but also concentrates risk. As for the nuances, gold experiences large gaps and spikes around news. Spreads and slippage on XAUUSD can be significant. Over optimization is common with gold systems. In practice, any good EA requires a low spread broker, VPS, and very tight risk control. Large drawdowns can wipe accounts quickly. What is this actually for? This may suit experienced gold traders who thoroughly understand the risks of XAUUSD and can actively manage and monitor the system. Only consider it after extensive forward testing with tiny risk. You should strongly avoid this EA if you're a beginner, have a small account, are risk averse, or expect smooth equity growth. Results like these show why caution is essential with gold EAs. Overall, Gold Titan EA is a specialized XAUUSD system with flexible parameters. My test showed severe losses, underscoring the high risks involved. Always test thoroughly on demo with your own broker and never risk money you cannot afford to lose. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more honest EA reviews, and let me know in the comments which EA to cover next. Grab that free Forex robot from the description too. Trade safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.